Hi, my name is Sebastian, and in today's video I want to show you where you could learn affiliate marketing without paying a lot of money. In fact, I'll show you 3 ways that are cheaper than 2 cups of coffee at Starbucks. Yeah, and 2 of the 3 ways are even for free. First way to learn is right on this platform where you are at the moment. It's YouTube. I learned a lot of affiliate marketing knowledge from YouTube, but it's not the best way to start because you have a lot of information and it's not that easy to follow along as a complete beginner. But it's free to learn, and if you have a special question, just search it on YouTube and you will find the answer to your problem. And if you want a whole tutorial on how to make money with affiliate marketing and TikTok, check out the video over here. There you'll see how you could start TikTok affiliate marketing. The second way is the 15-day challenge. I put the link down in the description. It's a great challenge. It helped me a lot. First, I learned a lot on YouTube, and with the challenge I got everything in the right order. I know what to do and what steps to do first, what to do next. The challenge is a really great step-by-step affiliate marketing course, and you learn the basics of an online business like funnel builder, email autoresponder, and so on. Course is really great organized, that's the plus, but this course isn't free. It costs you $7. But if you stay till the end, I show you a hack on how to pay just half of this money. And the last way is this affiliate bootcamp. Yeah, the bootcamp is free to join. You get a video series and you learn a lot about affiliate marketing. You don't have to buy any upsells, but if you're a beginner and you would start with just this course, it would be too much information and you would struggle with all of that information as a complete beginner. The way I would use the 3 sources to learn affiliate marketing would be in this order. I would start the 15-day challenge to learn the basics, and if I would have questions I would just search it on YouTube and watch videos about a special topic. If I need more information, I would do it this way. And after the 15-day challenge, I would start the free affiliate marketing bootcamp to get more in-depth knowledge and what's possible with affiliate marketing. I hope this video was helpful. Please hit the subscribe button and support this channel, and leave a comment what you think about all of these courses. And now watch the video over here on how to start affiliate marketing without money.